Terumo is very committed to the cell and gene therapy space. You know, our mission is to contribute to society through healthcare, and what better place to do this than cell and gene therapy, where there's curative therapies that are on the horizon. So what we're doing is our approach to the market is actually quite unique. You know, we touch the continuum in cell and gene therapy in a very unique way. We support the patient journey as well as the cell journey. So the patient journey in that with our Optia platform and with cell collection, you know, 60 to 70% of all cell and gene therapies today start with an apheresis product. And so we meet the patients in that patient journey at the point of collecting those precious cells. We also, because of our legacy in handling cells, human cells, we understand how fragile they are. And so we can help to support that cell journey in manufacturing with our quantum platform. Again, looking at that scalability for the critical expansion, but also modification step, as well as in the fill and finish step with our Finia platform before these cells are returned back to patients. And of course, welding and making sure that you have sterile connections throughout the process. So these are ways that we're supporting the developers and the researchers to bring these products safely and to the market.